All right, so today I want to unbox the adult white dragon, which I just got in and I'm very excited about. So there it is from Wizkids. I know there's a bigger dragon out or coming out, but this is the adult dragon. And we're gonna open it up and see what it looks like. Look down there. Here we go. Not a whole lot of unboxing that we need to worry about on this one. Let's move the box out of the way. And look at that. That is beautiful. Really good paint job. And let's look at that face. There we go. Wonderful. All right, that's an amazing dragon. And here it is with a Hero Forge mini in the front and some Fat Dragon Games scenery in the back, just to give us a good size comparison.